Hey people, how are you? I hope that you guys are doing well. So continuing from the point where we left yesterday, हमने कहाँ छोड़ा था? कल हमने क्या कर लिया था? हमने कॉनकेव मिरर का जो है सब रे डायग्राम देख लिया था, राइट? आई होप कि अभी तक आपको सब समझ में आ गया होगा. अभी हम देखेंगे कॉन्वेक्स मिरर का, ठीक है? व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड when an object is placed at infinity, इसके दो केसेस है. सबसे पहला ये, दूसरा ये, ठीक है? हमने कौन सा देखा था? कल हमने कितने केसेस देखे थे? 6 केसेस देखे थे, राइट? उसके कौन से क्या है करके. अभी इसमें हम देखेंगे 2 केसेस, ठीक है? सो कौन सा है? प्लेस एक इन्फिनिटी पे प्लेस्ड है, एक इन्फिनिटी पे प्लेस्ड है, और बिटवीन इन्फिनिटी एंड दी पोल. ठीक है, ये देखो, अभी एक इन्फिनिटी पे कहीं तो है, इन्फिनिटी पे एक इमेज प्लेस्ड है, ठीक है? उसकी इमेज कहाँ बनेगी? ये देखो, ये रिफ्लेक्ट होके जाएगा, ठीक है? और ये भी रिफ्लेक्ट होके जाएगा, और ये अगर इफ आई एक्सटेंड दिस, इट विल मेक अ पॉइंट ऑन फोकस. ठीक है, इमेज ऑन फोकस. नाउ एट द फोकस बिहाइंड द मिरर हाईली डिमिनिश्ड, बिकॉज इमेज मस्ट हैव बीन द साइज ऑफ इंफिनिटी, एंड इमेज the object is must have been the size of infinity, and the image is highly diminished. See point size, find point size. So that's why virtual and erect. So now what do you mean by virtual and erect? I have taught you this in the previous class. Now what do you mean by virtual? Virtual means imaginary, imaginary, ठीक है? एंड इरेक्ट मीन्स what you cannot expect. Like if you see yourself on a mirror, you tend to see yourself like what image is formed behind the mirror, right? But what erect means, where you do not expect the things to be. Like for example, we expect the image to be at this side, but image is being formed behind the mirror. ठीक है? That is the thing that's called as the virtual. Sorry, that is called as the erect. ठीक है? Now between infinity and the pole, between P and F, the image will be formed between P and F. See, pole, it is pole and F. ठीक है? So image would be diminished, not highly diminished, not highly diminished. If the object is of 5 centimeter, suppose 5 centimeter, the object will be of 3 centimeter. ठीक है? Now definitely virtual and erect, because what we expect the image should be there, it is not. That's why erect. ठीक है? See, now spherical mirror formula. Spherical mirror formula is this one. ठीक है? Now how do we, like for example, look, the mirror formula explains how object distance, now u is object distance, which you need to remember, guys. ठीक है? And image distance v are related to the focal length f to the spherical mirror. Object distance is distance of the object from the pole of the mirror, denoted by the letter u. Image distance is the distance from the image from the pole, that is image from the pole, this one and this one. ठीक है? So mirror and it is denoted by v, and focal length is the distance of the principal focus from the pole of the mirror. The expression which gives the relation between these three qualities is called as the mirror formula, which is given by 1 upon f. 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon v plus 1 upon u. This is the formula. ठीक है? Now look, how would be the sign convention? You have heard about, if you have heard about y axis, x axis, x dash axis, y dash axis. Now every point in this you take plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 ऐसा. Now here minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 ऐसा. यहाँ पर plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. यहाँ पर minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Now similarly in mirror what happens is, you go upward you take positive, you go upward you take positive, you go left side you take negative, you go right side you take positive. Fine, this is the sign convention. ठीक है? Simple, there is nothing much to worry about. Look, the next thing, magnification. Now magnification is again a very important thing which you need to know. Look, magnification is the increase of the image size produced by the spherical mirror with respect to the object size. Means the ratio of height of image, of ratio m is equals to height of image डिवाइड बाय हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, ठीक है, उसको हम क्या डिनोट करते हैं, एच डिवाइड बाय एच डैश, ठीक है, h divided by h dash. Now where h is the height of image, h is the height of object. Now magnification is also equal to the ratio of distance of, ratio of image is to ratio of distance. M is equals to image distance divided by object distance, object distance. Fine. As the object is always above the principal axis, the height of the object is always positive. That's why this is the mirror. If height is, if this is the image or object, so it is upward, that's why positive. Okay, if this is negative, downwards, then it is negative. So but a sign of image height may vary according to the, definitely if the height is much, so you will take much larger, magnitude will be much. The height of the virtual image should be taken positive while the height of the real image should be taken negatively. Now why this happens, because I'll tell you that straight point which I want you to remember. Just a second, I'll paste. Look, this was the, definitely this was what was this? This was the image formation by concave mirror, right? Concave mirror. Fine. So what is this? What it is trying to say? Look, the height of virtual image should be taken positive. Now why positive? भाई क्यों लेना है positive? क्यों लेना है? क्योंकि देखो यार, यहाँ पर there is only one point, one observation where the height, the image is it virtual and erect, only one. Everywhere else you will see object is left side, the real and inverted. See यहाँ पर infinity पे बन रहा है लेकिन left पे बन रहा है, right? See here the image, see here is the image, see here is the image. So left side where we expect, left side where we expect the image should be. Now virtual and erect, so it is the higher, definitely, so it is upward, so positive. That is why it is trying to say कि the image should be taken positive while the height of the real image should be taken negatively, because every image is of negative, right? Like see, every image is formed at a negative except this. Every image, like see here, it is downwards, the size may vary but everything is downwards, right? That is the thing which is trying to say. The magnitude of magnification indicates virtual and erect image. Virtual and erect means m is equals to, if m is positive, which means both h and h dash is positive, there is only one case where both height of the image, like see, object height is also positive and image height is also positive. This is the only case. Otherwise object is positive and image is negative, object is positive, image is negative, object is positive and image is negative. Similarly object and image, object is at infinity positive and image is at negative point because it is downwards, right? That is the point which it is trying to say. Fine. And the magnitude will always in real and inverted magnitude, the negative magnitude, because m, the image which is formed, like height of image, right? Height of image is always negative because everything which where real and inverted image is formed, everything is in downward side, so negative, right? That's why it is trying to say the same thing. You guys have understood this point, right? Let's go for the lenses now. Lenses are the very important thing which you need to remember. Spherical lenses are the lenses formed by bounding two spherical transparent surfaces together. Two spherical surfaces. This is convex lens, this is concave lens. Now how do you recall this thing? This was convex, but if I try to join two convex mirror, I get convex lens. Or rather you can see, if I'm making this cave, right, this is cave and again I'm making ulta cave, so becomes the concave lens, and this is convex lens, this is principal axis. Fine. So convex lens are also known as converging lens because any light ray which comes, it is directed towards the focus, right? It is directed towards the focus. Since the rays converge after falling on the convex lens, while the concave lens is known as the diverging, because every light ray is going beyond. Fine. So lenses as the ray diverge after falling on the concave lens. ठीक है. See, this is the most important thing which you need to remember, guys. This probably is the most important thing, because here a lot of things is going to get cleared. Appearance. A concave lens is thinner in middle. Now what is concave lens? This is concave lens, and this is convex lens. Fine. So this is thinner in middle and thicker in outward. Fine. Thinner in middle, thicker in the edges. So a convex lens is thicker in middle, thinner in edges. Fine. So also known as the diverging lens, because diverges outward the principal axis, and it is also known as converging because every light ray is coming towards the focus. This is the focus. Fine. F1, what we call it, has two F1 and F2, and this is F2 and 2F2, and this is F1 and 2F1. ठीक है. Similarly here it is F2, 2F2, F1, 2F1. Application: used in glasses, some telescopes, spy holes in the doors, etc. It is also correction of the short sightedness. Next हम eye पे करेंगे क्लास. ठीक है, eye पे, human eye. In the next class, where I will teach you short sightedness, far sightedness, myopia, hypermetropia, what are the different parts of the eye, वो सब. ठीक है. Used now convex lens कहाँ पर use होते हैं? Used in the cameras, focus, sunlight, overhead projector, microscope, simple telescope, magnifying glass. These are all important. Long sightedness. ठीक है. Now it has negative focal length, it has positive focal length. ठीक है. It diverges the incident ray away from the principal axis. Definitely it is going away from the principal axis, right? It is going away from the principal axis and it is coming towards the principal axis. It converges the incident ray towards the principal axis. Now types of images we are going to study in the next slide, that is the image formation. Listen it very carefully, guys, very carefully, it's very important. ठीक है. Look, the concave lens has two formation, only two. First is infinity, second is beyond infinity. First is infinity and beyond infinity and zero, definitely, right? If the light ray is coming from here, it is going there, or so if I stretch it, it will come towards F1. So what is the observation? The image is formed at F2, the virtual and erect image, and highly diminished, because virtual and erect, definitely I am expecting an image here, somewhere here, but image is formed at this side, that's why virtual and erect, highly diminished. Okay. Now beyond infinity and zero, if somewhere is there, so what will happen? The light ray will go like this. If I stretch it back, and the intersection is come here. Okay. So again it is virtual and erect between F1 and optical center, and it is diminished, not highly diminished. Diminished and highly diminished has difference. Okay, you know. Fine. Next, it is the most important, one of the most important, convex lens. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now सबसे पहला, object is at infinity. So what will happen? Every light ray will converges to the focal length, focus. ठीक है. So what will be the observation? Image is at focus to F2, real and inverted, and it will be definitely diminished, because infinity has a larger, maybe God knows how much big it is, and comparatively it is very diminished. So it can be written as highly diminished also. Fine. Okay. Second, beyond 2F1. So beyond 2F1 means here it is. Take a second case. First, second. So what happens is light ray will travel like this. It will definitely pass from F2, and 1 is the center of this. So the both intersection will happen like this. Okay. So definitely diminished. Comparatively this is diminished between 2F2 and F1, and real and inverted. Okay. Third, between 2F1 and F1. See, between 2F1 and F1, this is 2F1. Yeah, this is the third situation. Okay. Third situation. Just a second, I'll erase this. Yeah. Okay, this is the third situation. What it is trying to say कि ऑब्जेक्ट इज एट 2f1 एंड f1 के बीच में है, तो क्या होगा कि लाइट रे विल ट्रैवल फ्रॉम द मिडल एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द फोकस. सो सी द इमेज इज सपोज x, द x से बड़ा ही होगा डेफिनेटली. सो देखो ना, एनलार्ज्ड, रियल एंड इन्वर्टेड बियॉन्ड 2f2. ठीक है, एट f1 में कहाँ पर, f1 पे ये फोर्थ केस, it is looking like this, so it is of same size. No, at f1, right? So sorry, I have taught about f2 to f2, so this was the case, right? So this is of fifth. So what is it happening? Same size, real and inverted at 2f2. 2f2 पे बन रहा है image. And fourth one कहाँ पर है अपना, at f1, this one. So what is it happening? It is going till infinity, right? Because these two lines are parallel, राइट. सो पैरेलल में क्या होता है कि दिस विल नेवर intersect. So highly enlarged, real and inverted because we expect the image to be here and it is getting the image here. Let that matter is different whether it is making an image or not, but it is on the image where it is expected. That's why real and inverted. Now between 0 or zeroing O and f1, O is this. So what is happening, the object is here. If I stretch it back, so the image is forming on the side where it is not expected. So that's for virtual and erect, and the enlarged on the same side of the object. Fine. With this I end up the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, then consider subscribing. Don't go, just a second. Subscribing, like and share जरूर करना, जो all those who are preparing. And also follow Winners Guide Instagram channel, because there we are preparing a lot. Like every day we are uploading three new things which are very important, because maths plus GK plus English questions are being uploaded. And also if you go Winners Guide का YouTube channel where WG YouTube channel, हमारे YouTube channel पे you will see community post where everyday questions are being uploaded in a quiz format. So you look, guys, it's very important for you to surround yourself with the more and more questions. Until unless you don't solve more and more questions, you will not be able to clearly see things. Fine. So with that I will end the video. Consider subscribing and like करना, share जरूर करना. Take care of yourself. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.